welcome back. So Jamaica and Panama will both be looking to bounce back from defeats earlier this week. They will face off in the Estadio Ramel Fernandez on Sunday in Panama. The Reggae Boys are currently in 6th while Panama are in 4th. These results leave Panama just 2 points clear of Costa Rica, while they are 3 points adrift of the automatic qualifying places. With 5 games left, Panama cannot afford to dwell on Thursday's defeat, and having avoided defeat at home in the qualifying campaign so far, they will be grateful to be back home in their stadium. In fact, the hosts will be looking for their 3rd consecutive qualifying victory at their home stadium. They defeated the United States and El Salvador in the previous 2 contests and have proven to be a tough nut to crack at home, having only conceded 2 goals. Meanwhile, Jamaica saw their hopes of qualifying for their 2nd World Cup finals take a huge hit on Thursday with that 2-1 defeat to Mexico. Damon Lowe received a straight red card in the first half, and Jamaica was forced to play with 10 men for the entire second half, having taken the lead through Daniel Johnson. With less than 10 minutes left, Henry Martin got Mexico's equalizer, and then Alex Vega got the go-ahead goal to secure the victory against Paul Hall's team. The loss leaves Reggae Boys 7 points adrift of Panama, and if they are to have any realistic chance of qualifying for Qatar, they need the 3 points on Sunday. Alright, so Paul Hall's main concern is that they have only won 1 game in the entire campaign. So for the team news, Panama are without the services of injured Cecilia Waterman, who will miss out after scoring 3 goals in qualifying. Christensen, the coach, introduced Alberto Quintero at halftime, and the 34-year-old could be set to start against Jamaica. The host could make a change up front, with Jose Fajardo Nelson dropping to the bench, resulting in Rolando Blackburn taking up the place in the starting 11. Meanwhile, Jamaica are without Lowe, who is suspended. Lowe's absence will present Liam Moore with a starting opportunity, and he will be partnered in the center of the defense by Ethan Pinnock. Mikel Antonio will be leading the line and will look to add to the 2 goals that he has scored so far. Okay, so we wrap it up there. Guys, thank you for watching. Remember, like the video, subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, and stay tuned so you can be up to date with all the happenings in the Jamaican sports arena.